Well-known gun company Colt Manufacturing started producing the Colt Python in 1955, but discontinued production of this iconic revolver in 2006. Now they've re-engineered this iconic gun, and Colt is reintroducing the Python. Upgraded to meet the quality standards of today's shooters while staying true to its heritage, Colt's engineering innovation team spent years refining this double-action revolver. Colt's Justin Baldini explains.
We have been working on this for a number of years. I think people expected at some point we'd come back out with the Python, but it actually takes years to kind of develop and redevelop, and in this case improve on something as kind of classic as a Python. So primarily what makes the Python so special is its shootability. It's a .357, but it's sort of in this, I'll call it mid-size frame revolver. There's certain practical purposes for it. It's a great hunting gun, especially in a 6-inch. It's a great target shooting gun. There's people who've used it for action pistol or action revolver type of shooting. But I think just for like the everyday person or the everyman, it's the kind of gun that you bring to the range and it's just pleasurable to shoot. The real magic of the Python is the trigger. The old Pythons, of course, had sort of a legendary trigger, but what really makes the new Python special is the part of the difficulty for Colt was taking that old Python kind of feel, especially in that trigger, and sort of updating it to a modern design that people have a romantic view of it, and it is kind of romantic in a sort of like American craftsmanship kind of a way. And again, it's part of the history of the Python. So one of the things that's really special about this gun that people kind of immediately notice, and one of the reasons it's so shootable and so special is we worked on this grip quite a bit. They're interchangeable. I mean, you can put old Python grips on the new Python, and you could put the new Python grip on old Pythons. If you look at the front heel of the grip here, it actually kind of comes backwards a little bit, so you can really get a good purchase on there. So some of the neat features about the gun are for sure that interchangeable front sight. So we took the frame up above the cylinder here. We wanted to make sure we beefed that up. We wanted to basically just make this thing as stable and sturdy as possible. And one of the ways we did that was by redesigning the rear sight to increase material. So there's actually a 30% more material in this top strap on this new Python, and that's actually a result of the changes in the cuts that are required for the rear sight.
A legendary gun is reborn. Colt's iconic Python. And that's your quick hit from FMG Publication.